Hi everyone, good evening. So today is 16th of November 2018. This is US session for live trading crude oil futures market. So good morning for those in USA. So this moment my trading setup just provide me another buying signal somewhere here. This is my entry. So the nearest high is here. So hopefully the target will be the resistance level at 58.37. So my entry is 57.71. So at this moment 12 ticks above the entry level, so I have to wait for a couple of minutes, maybe another 20 minutes, to see whether the market have tendency for a bullish movement or will it reverse to the downside. So really have to be careful because uh, the market already been ranging for bull since to the evening. So you can see here, so it's already moved to the bullish side. So hopefully the last one is the biggest one, but still has some risk that the market might turn down, make another movement. But still at this moment, this buying signal um, provide a chance for entry in the market. So at this moment 14 and 15, sorry, 15 ticks above my entry. So let's wait and see. Hopefully the market will not reverse. Okay, the entry is quite good because it's near to the VWAP area. Okay, this is gonna take a while. So I will pause this video and we'll continue once again later on. Okay guys, we resume back again. So at this moment the market already reached 31 ticks above my entry level. So here is my entry level, here is 21 ticks. So maybe I'm still expecting for it to go for the resistance level at 58.37, which is here. This is the resistance level. If you can see this red line, this is the target, this is the nearest high, this is where I enter the market. So hopefully the price can go to this direction. So I will have to wait patiently because this is gonna take a while. In total, if lucky, that we can get around 60 ticks. So this is what I'm expecting. Could be a good trade, but have to be more careful if the market try to make only a pullback and then reverse back down. So no matter what, oh, okay, now the market spike. So let's now 38 ticks, in total. It looks like the market spike and now return back to the bottom side. So just now 38 ticks, now 31 ticks. My platform still unresponsive. Always when the market try to spike, there's a heavy volume involved, and I guess I don't have enough performance on my laptop, so I have to change it. It's gonna take a while to upgrade everything graphic card because I'm running 2 or 3 platform actually. Okay, still not yet recover, so I will pause for a while and continue later. Okay, now everything back to normal, so we start again. This during this live trade. Okay, this here is my entry. Not nice. So let me draw nicely. Okay, here's my entry. Here is the nearest height, and here is my target area, which is the resistance area. So hopefully the price will break through this highest of 58.12. So almost there at this moment at 58.08. So another 4 ticks, then it will break through. Once it break through, then I'm expecting for the market to go for the bull position until this resistance level, which is at 58.37. So should be around in total 60 ticks. 60 ticks. Oh yeah. So this one is 35 ticks. So we have remaining another 25 ticks. So the most important part is to break through this nearest high, which is at 58.12. Okay, the price already breakthrough. So let's take a look on the volume. Now we are back to 38 tick, 39 ticks. So there's a large volume here waiting at 58 to 20, 58.25, okay, 58.30, and no volume on 58.37, which is my target. So have to be careful, because if hit the first largest volume at 58.20, then the price try to reverse back. So there is no good indication that the market will go for further bullish. So far, from past experience, there's a tendency to do for U-turn. So have to be more careful. So 37 ticks. If I'm not confident, then I should exit at this moment. So 41 ticks, 40 ticks, because it happens a long time ago, reaching 40 ticks, sorry, for 43 ticks, then suddenly turn back to 60 ticks. So as I mentioned, now it goes back down. So patience is virtue. I try not to make this video too long, because it will be quite boring. So I hope to capture a good price movement during this live trading recording. But please subscribe my channel for more videos. So I will keep uploading all my live trading video through this channel. So if you are interested, you can take a look on all my video. So I've put a playlist, so you feel free to take a look on every trade. So there's also a loss trade, there's also a zero trade, but so far the trading setup is providing me a good entry at this moment. So okay, now I'm seeing the right candle. Should exit 350, 360. So I will have it's better to move my stop loss first into the break even 71. Okay, so my stop loss already at break even. This is my stop loss. Still we seeing there's a large volume waiting at 58.20 and 58.25 here. So these two large volume indicate there's a potential for the market to go on the bullish movement. So now drop to 38. So doesn't looks good. Now the price keep dropping. At this moment 28. So I guess it's gonna take a while before it break through to the upper side. So I will pause this video and we'll resume later on. Okay guys, resume back again. So now positive green candle. So by the way, this is 10-minute charts. So I'm using it. It doesn't matter what time frame I will use, because my trading setup will provide a good signal. So there's a time as well the setup failed to do his job, but still overall there's a high potential to earn a profit. So this moment we are 40 ticks. I'm moving my stop loss to break even. I'm still expecting for it to go for the higher side. So there's still a large volume waiting at 50 at 20, 125, and 50 at 25, 133. So this large price interval will see very important. Maybe I try to queue at 19, because that's mean from the earlier target 37 to 19 is around 17 ticks. 17 ticks. I think should be fine. Oh no, price try to reverse back. So 390 there. So better queue at here. I'm queuing at 50 at 19. This doesn't look good, because this kind of candle looks like it will do a reversal. So now under 5 minutes, I guess, before a new candle appear. So I pause this video and resume later on. Okay guys, now 380. I think I will exit the market at 380. Okay, 370 if you saw just now. So I'm exiting at the market at 58.08. My entry at 57.71. So it's about 29 37, yes, 37 ticks. It was a good ticks. Now the price try to move. Shit, always like this. Once I exit the market, then the market move much more faster than I'm waiting it. Okay, so 37 ticks is a good one. So please subscribe my channel for more videos in future. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you soon next week. Thank you. Bye bye.